Welcome to the World Animal Championship. Tonight's legendary battle begins. From the Golden Sands, the undefeated champion, the Desert Falcon. Turkey.
The Desert Falcon of Saudi Arabia versus the Gray Wolf of Turkey. A massive clang as the kick is blocked. The lunar fist combo is countered by the Falcon, and look at the screen, the clash is absolutely explosive.
This is it, the clash of titans, and they connect. Look at the power. This arena will witness my triumph. Prepare to fall. The winner, Saudi Arabia's Desert Falcon. Smash like, subscribe for more epic fights.